Let's face it, folks, some jobs are just plain dangerous. Working around gases, that's one of them. Invisible, odourless threats, they're everywhere. One wrong spark, a leak you can't even smell, and boom. That's why we need gas detectors. They're our first line of defence, our early warning system. And when it comes to gas detectors, MSA is the name you need to know. For over a century, MSA has been keeping workers safe. They've got a detector for every type of gas and every kind of hazard. In this guide, we're going to break down some of MSA's best fixed gas detectors. We'll talk features, benefits, and where each one shines. By the end, you'll know exactly which MSA detector is right for you. Think of this as your gas detection playbook. Let's dive in. The Series 47K, this gas detector is like that old pickup truck you just can't kill. It's tough, reliable, and gets the job done. Whether you're dealing with combustible gases or monitoring oxygen levels, the 47K has you covered. It uses both electrochemical and catalytic bead sensors. These sensors are the heart of the detector, sniffing out danger. And don't let its simple design fool you. This thing is built to last. It can handle extreme temperatures, rough handling, and even the occasional splash of something nasty. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain. You don't need a PhD in engineering to get this detector up and running. If you need a solid, no-frills gas detector, look no further than the Series 47K. It's the workhorse you can always count on. Now let's talk about the Ultima X series. This gas monitor is like having a 24/7 security detail for your facility. It's always on, always watching for toxic and combustible gases, and always ready to sound the alarm if something's wrong. The Ultima X series gives you real-time data. That means you know exactly what's in the air, right when you need to know it. And if gas levels ever reach dangerous levels, the alarm system will let you know loud and clear. But the Ultima X series is more than just an alarm system. It's a smart detector. It uses digital communication to talk to your control systems. This thing speaks heart and Modbus. It's like having a direct line to the brain of your operation. Plus, it's always running self-diagnostics. It's like a doctor constantly checking its own pulse. If something's wrong, you'll know about it right away. The Ultima X series. It's peace of mind 24/7. Next up, we've got the Primex IR. This detector is all about using infrared technology to sniff out combustible gases. Think of it as a high-tech heat seeker, but instead of missiles, it's looking for dangerous gas leaks. The Primex IR uses something called non-dispersive infrared, NDIR, technology. It's a mouthful, I know, but all you need to know is that it's reliable and low maintenance. And if something does go wrong, the Primex IR has a fail-safe operation. That means it will let you know if a sensor fails. This detector is built for speed and accuracy. It can detect gas leaks in seconds, and it's tough enough to handle the harshest environments. Think refineries, chemical plants, anywhere things get hot, heavy, and potentially explosive. The Primex IR. It's got your back even when things heat up. Section 5, Primex family, specialised sensors for unique needs. Now, the Primex family is more than just the IR. It's got a detector for practically every gas under the sun. The Primex IR Plus, for example, is like the IR's bigger, stronger brother. It's got even more advanced infrared detection and needs calibration less often. Then you've got the Primex I. This one's all about electrochemical sensors. It's perfect for sniffing out those nasty, toxic gases and keeping an eye on oxygen levels. And if you need to detect both toxic and combustible gases, look no further than the Primex P. The Primex P uses catalytic bead technology. It's the low-cost and industry-leading method of LEL detection. It's incredibly sensitive and doesn't get fooled easily. Each member of the Primex family has its own specialty. It's like a team of highly trained detectives, each with their own unique skills. Section 6, IR400 and Sensient ELDS, covering all the angles. Now, sometimes you need a detector that can cover a lot of ground. That's where the IR400 and Sensient ELDS come in. These detectors are like the wide receivers of the gas detection world. They're covering a lot of territory, looking for any sign of trouble. The IR400 is another infrared specialist. It uses NDIR technology to detect combustible gases, and it's got a wide field of view. The Senscient ELDS, on the other hand, is a laser focus specialist. It uses enhanced laser diode spectroscopy to see both toxic and combustible gases. This thing can detect even the smallest leaks from a long distance. Think of it as a sniper rifle for gas detection. It's focused across an area looking for any sneaky gas that should cross its laser. Both the IR400 and Senscient ELDS are perfect for large industrial facilities where you need to monitor a wide area. They're the eyes in the sky, keeping you safe from unseen threats. Section 7, Ultima X 5000 and IR 5500 Advanced Detection Systems. Now, let's talk about the big leagues. The Ultima X 5000 and IR 5500. These detectors are the top of the line. They're packed with features and can handle even the most demanding applications. The Ultima X 5000 is like the Swiss Army knife of gas detectors. It can monitor 2 gases at the same time, and it's got Bluetooth connectivity. That means you can set it up and check its status from your phone. Talk about convenient. The IR 5500 is another wide area specialist. It's an open path infrared detector that can spot combustible gases. It's also got fail-safe operation, so you know it's always on guard. These detectors are like having a team of expert engineers on your side, constantly monitoring and analysing the air for any sign of danger. Section 8, General Monitor's S5000 and Observer I. Versatility and precision. Now, sometimes you need a detector that can do it all. That's where the General Monitor's S5000 and Observer I come in. These detectors are like the utility players of the gas detection world. They're versatile, reliable, and always ready to step up to the plate. The General Monitor's S5000 is a true all-rounder. It can detect toxic and combustible gases, as well as oxygen levels. It's also incredibly flexible. You can configure it with a wide range of sensors and communication protocols. It's like a chameleon, adapting to any environment. The Observer I, on the other hand, is a specialist in its own right. It uses ultrasonic technology to detect high-pressure gas leaks. It's like a bat, using sound waves to see what we can't. If you're working with high-pressure systems, the Observer I is your new best friend. Section 9, Conclusion. Choosing the right MSA gas detector for your needs. So, there you have it, folks, a rundown of some of MSA's best fixed gas detectors. From the Workhorse Series 47K to the top-of-the-line Ultima X 5000, MSA has a detector for every need and every budget. Remember, choosing the right gas detector is about more than just picking the one with the most features. It's about finding the one that fits your specific needs. Consider the type of gases you're dealing with, the environment you're working in, and your budget. And when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to the experts here at 7 Solutions. We're always happy to help you find the right detector for the job. Stay safe out there, folks. And remember, when it comes to gas detection, 7 Solutions has got your back.